Okay.
Hey guys, so just so you know, I'm helping my friend whose daughter's getting married today, and the reception is at 6. Well, the reception is at 7, but I have to go and help out at 6. And I'm
Okay.
currently in her house, and there's tons of kids. So if you hear kids like screaming and yelling,
No, you're fine.
And it's hard. So I understand.
yeah.
Okay. Everyone, are you all on the quiz?
Yeah, we can start.
Okay. Question 3. Which hypothesis involves equality?
The null hypothesis.
I agree.
Hmm? Hmm.
Okay. The question 4. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? I said the null hypothesis.
Let's see. Um, I think it is. Let's see. P-value. No. Yeah, I think it's that one null hypothesis.
I agree.
Yeah. Okay, so question 5. So is that one going to be number, well, C?
That's what I put.
So yeah, it's that one, right? C. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a right-type test? Look at the second one.
Sign one for you. Or take.
Okay, C.
Yeah, so we would not.
Do we have like a graph or something that shows that in the class in the lesson for the week? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found it. Okay, so it's going to be left. Yeah, it's going to be A. And 7 is going to be opposite. So it's going to be B, right?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, 7 is B.
And wait, what was 6?
6 for me is A.
Yeah, the first one.
Okay,
That's for your first one. And 7 is going to be the second one.
yeah, I get it. Okay. So number 8.
So yeah, 8.
You can go.
I'm doing homework.
I know it in here.
So 8, 8.
I have a quick question. When it before number 8 it says use this information to answer the next 2 questions.
Mhm.
Oh, never mind. Okay. I thought there was supposed to be a link or something to click on, like information, but no, it's just talking about the sentence below. The sentence above, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Comparing the p-value to the level of significance, which relationship result in failing to
Failing. It says p value is greater than. I don't know how to read that. We fail to reject null hypothesis greater. So is 8 the first one?
It has to be either A or B.
Yeah, I think it's A because I'm reading lesson 9 and it says p value is greater when fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Great. Are you okay with that one, Kelsey?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then 9 would be opposite of
And
that.
so 9 is going to be B, right? Like second one.
Yeah.
Well, let's say that if we are wrong, we have a second chance.
Yeah. There's a lot of questions this time.
I know.
That's because they're coming like they're easier, like they take less time. We don't have to have a formula so far, so it's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so an insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim was about $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Use this information for the next 2 questions. Which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis? The average claim amount is equal to, the average claim amount is not equal to, the average claim amount is greater than.
Would it be the third one? The claim is greater than 1,500.
Okay. I think for this one we have to apply questions 6 and 7, right?
So,
Yeah, because I'm in between B and C, because like they think it's greater. Let's see.
I think that one is in lesson 9.4.
9.4.
Nothing.
4. Hmm. Okay, so I think it's either B or C, and I'm leaning more towards C. So I think we should just put C, and if it's wrong, then next time we'll put B.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
And what we could do is that only one of us could
Yeah.
submit it, and then we actually have like more tries than just 2 if we needed it.
Okay.
Okay,
I know. Yeah,
so
let's. Okay.
which of the following would be the appropriate? And by the way, guys, I only have like 25 more minutes.
Yeah,
Alright,
I think we're fine. Okay.
okay. Which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis? The average claim amount is equal. It's A. The average claim amount is equal to.
Yeah.
Null is always equal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are we good, Ricardo?
Yeah.
Okay. So the insurance company randomly selects 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of 1650. Uses information to answer the next 2 questions. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? Guys, give me a second.
You're good. I think this is a review, kind of. So I think it's the first one because it is a large sample size, which means that it would be approximately normal.
Hmm.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm a little sick. Alright, so,
So first one.
for 12, you think it's A?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Because it is a large size. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question? The central limit theorem?
I think so.
Okay. Let me Google that really fast. Yeah.
Okay.
Sufficiently large number of iterates of independent random variables. Yeah, it's about large numbers. Yeah. I think so. Ricardo, are you okay with?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on to number 14. Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson?
I have no idea.
Let's put a find in the text.
Is X.
Test statistic. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the X with the line on top.
Z? Z. It's in 4.2 in the lesson.
Oh, wait. Z is the test statistic. Yeah.
This is a sample mean.
No. The sample mean is the X with the line on top. And Z is a test statistic. And the U is the population mean. Yeah. Yeah. And it says it on the 1, 2, 3, on the third paragraph of 4.2. It's just a single line that it says it. Okay, it's right below 4.3 p-value. Okay. The historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is 150 with standard deviation of 40. Store manager suspects that the average has decreased. She sets up a hypothesis test with the hypothesis. The null hypothesis is the mean equals 150, and the alternative hypothesis is the mean is less than 150.
We need to use a formula here.
Yeah.
Choose either of those.
There's a new formula for this.
Yeah, I thought it was
For
hard.
this
It gave me
lesson.
a headache and I wanted to sleep, but then I thought about it more, and it's actually, it makes a lot of sense. So let me see.
Is it just the z-score formula, or is it a different one?
No, there's a different formula for this case,
So
I think.
you have to subtract
Yeah, it's
the damp. Yeah,
Okay.
it's, let me
I
find.
think that it's a sample, right?
What was that?
Yeah, okay, yeah, it's the mean minus.
Where is it?
I think it's a sample mean minus a mean.
Where is it?
I can't remember. Let me check.
I think it's is it in 4.2? Just
Yeah,
that.
4.2. Yeah, z equals.
Oh yeah, it's right there. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
So so in this case, it's 144 minus 150.
Mhm.
And
And then divide it by. I need a paper and a pen.
so standard deviation is 40. So, okay. So let's see if I have the right information. So x is going to be 144, u is going to be 150,
Uh-huh.
o 40, and n 36.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So it's minus 0.9.
I got negative 0.667.
Let's see. So 1, okay, so we have minus 6 divided by 40 here. 36. Okay, 6.67 is going to be the standard deviation.
Let's see.
Let me check.
6.67. Okay, so minus 6 divided by 6.667.
Okay.
That's going to be minus 0.89995.
I did get that too.
So I got minus 0.9. I'm using Excel for that.
That's what I got. I did my math wrong. Would it be? It would be negative though, right?
Yes.
And then
Wait, what did you get?
Minus 0.9.
8,
Yeah.
9.
Yes. Yes, I did get that.
Okay, cool.
And then
And
The
p-value, I think we have to use
the applet.
the app. Okay, I don't have the link. Let's see if I can find it.
Which portion do you highlight? Below? Is it? Would it be? It would be. Okay, just kidding. It's the less than. So it would be the left.
Okay, I don't have the app. So which lesson? Where is the app at? Let me see if I can find it. It was in week 3.
Yeah, there's actually even. Yeah, I think it was week 3. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. No, it's not here. Probably 4. Let's see.
15. I got 0.184.
Wait for me. Try.
0.184?
Mm-hmm.
And how did you get that?
So on the applet,
Mm-hmm.
we put in the z-score, and since it is, what is?
So it's negative, so it goes okay.
And are you highlighting the middle, or what do you highlight?
So the very left side, because the mean is less than 150, which would get left-tailed.
Yeah, that sounds right. I don't have the applet right now, but your explanation sounds right.
Okay, so you have to highlight left and right, right?
Just the left.
Let's see. No, it's going to be right and left. Because there is an example here in the lesson 9 that they have a z-score 0.910, and I'm putting that number in the app, and if I highlight right and left, I'm getting the score that shows in the answer. So probably we can try with the one that you're saying, and also we can try with the one that I got.
Well, you know what? Let's. What did you get, Ricardo?
So yes, so let me grab minus 0. Okay, let's see. I have 0.368.
Okay. So I just wrote that down, and we'll keep that in mind.
Okay.
Just in case. All right. So what inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem? Reject the null hypothesis, fail to reject it. Well, I would say reject the null hypothesis.
When the p-value is less than the alpha.
Okay.
The alpha is 0.5. Yes. We would reject. What is your conclusion?
18.
Oh wait, so did we all conclude to reject the null hypothesis?
Yes.
Okay. What is your conclusion for this problem? What is the population?
would it be that is 150? Because if the p-value is lower than the 1,
Well, but didn't we say that if we're rejecting the null hypothesis and the null hypothesis says that it's the mu is equal to 150, right? So if we're rejecting it, does that mean that mu is greater than 150?
I think so. That sounds right, actually. So then, would it be the first one or the second?
I don't know. I really don't.
Let's see. Okay, so which one we think? Probably A. First one.
Yeah, I'm thinking of putting A, and then if it's wrong, we'll put B.
Okay.
So question 20. A researcher decided...
Which one is 19?
Oh no, question 19. Yeah. Okay. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
Type 1. It's in 4.5 in the reading.
Uh-huh. Okay. Yep, it is. Alright.
Okay.
Now 20. A researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance of... is that sigma? I don't even know what that...
Okay.
That's a standard deviation, right?
No.
No.
Standard deviation is O.
Oh, and what is that?
Not sure.
I'm pretty sure. I can find it.
So the U is called mu, and that's the mean. The O is called sigma, and that's standard deviation. And this weird thing, I have no idea. No idea. Let's see.
It's in 4.4.
Okay, let's see. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the p-value. I think. Oh, no. Oh, it's the level of significance. That's so in the second paragraph of 4.5, the last sentence, in other words, the level of significance, parentheses, that symbol, is the probability of committing a type 1 error.
Okay, so level of significance.
Is number, so that the probability of committing error is low. Okay, so the most common value for that is 0.05. Well, the null hypothesis is true. There is 1 in 120 chance that it will be rejected. Okay. So So instead of using a okay.
So what is the difference between type 1 and 2?
So type 2. Let me get there.
So I'm pretty sure it's B because all of them, the A, C, and D can't be it. But let's see what type 2 is.
4.5. So 4.5.
Okay. If the significance of like committing an error, level of significance, symbol, value, the probability of committing a type 1 error is very small, the probability of committing type 2 error will be large. There's the answer.
Okay.
So it is number 2, B.
Okay.
Now question 21. If level of significance is 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error. Round to decimal places. And it's in here.
Where is it at?
It's on the 4.5 on the third paragraph that says we choose that symbol to be some small number so that the probability of committing a type 1 error is low. The most common value is 0.05. This is equal to 1/20th. Right? So that's a fraction. If we divide that, we get the decimal. Oh. Which 1 divided by 20 is...
So we have to divide 0.05 by 20?
No, I would divide 1... Oh, it's 0.05, guys.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Wait, if compute the probability of committing... Oh, I don't know. Never mind. I thought I knew.
The level, okay. Okay. So it says whenever we reject a true null hypothesis, we say that a type 1 error was committed. Assuming the null hypothesis is true, the level of significance is the probability of getting a value of the test statistic that is extreme enough that the null hypothesis will be rejected. In other words, the level of significance is the probability of committing a type 1 error.
Oh, so it's 0.05.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's the same?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so do you guys want me to submit first?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
And tell us which ones are wrong. And
Okay,
so,
I have, yeah, well, number 1, okay, 3 is good, 4 is good, 5, 6 is good, 7 is good, 8 is good, 9 is good. 10, we need to fix 10.
okay.
And also 14. Which one do you guys choose for 14?
We chose Z.
Oh, that's why. Okay,
What did
X.
Okay, no, it's Z.
Okay, so that one. Also 16. I got wrong, so maybe the one that you got is right. 18.
Ricardo, did you put 0.368 for 16?
Yes.
Okay, so change it right now.
Yeah, so give me 1 sec.
Okay.
I'm going to
Yeah,
put
you
everything
can't do that
back.
right now. Yeah.
Yeah, give me 1 sec. Okay. Start a quiz.
But is that all? Only 10 and 14?
Okay, 10, 14, and also 16. Oh, well, 16, yeah, is the one. Okay, and 18.
10, 14, 16, and 18.
So let's
But
do here.
number 16, like,
Probably,
yeah, probably on that
yeah.
said.
So
18, what do you think of this problem?
1, 2, 3, 4,
10 and 14.
5. Okay, I do this super quick.
I 14. We have so just 18. Okay, so Kelsey and Ricardo, mainly it's just only number 10 and number 18. Because number 14 you got wrong because by accident you put X when it's really Z, and so we have the right answer. And for number 16, you wrote the other answer that was the opposite of what Kelsey said, so we think that the one that Kelsey has is right. So the only two that we have to focus on is 10 and 18.
Yes.
Okay. And Ricardo, do you have the first submission of your quiz so that you can
Yes. Yeah,
write
exactly.
down? Okay, okay,
Yeah, I have half a screen for both.
okay, good. Just making sure if we needed to give you the other answers.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I am so sorry, but I need to go. Though, I will be finishing this before midnight, like Mountain Standard Time, which is probably too late for you, Ricardo. But
Yeah.
because the wedding's done at 9, but then I have to help clean, and so I'll probably be at my house like at 11:30 finishing these two
Wow.
questions.
So
So
there's something that actually we can do right now. Like for example, if Kelsey's staying, she can submit with the new answers, and if she gets 100, we're fine.
yeah, that'd be awesome. So if you guys could just keep me posted, that would really help me because of like how busy my night is. And if you guys can't figure out the answers, that's totally okay. I'll try to figure out these two, especially with my husband. He's really good at math, so he could help us a lot. And worst comes to worst, I'll just send it to you guys like really late at night, and you'll have to wake up and finish it so we could get good. All right, guys. So thanks so much. Thank you, Kelsey, for initiating this.
No problem.
And we'll see each other soon.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so let me put the answers I have. Okay. Okay. So I have 4 wrong. So it's 18. Okay, 18 is the first one. 16, 14, and 10. Okay, so which one we're deciding right now for 10? So the first one?
I think so. Yes. Wait, for 10, just a second. I was looking at the wrong one. Well, I'm just confused because the alternative hypothesis is the anything but equal. So we said it was C, and Andrea was debating C and B, so I think we should go with B. And if not, then we know that it's less than.
Well, you want to try with that one?
I think so.
Okay.
And then 18.
I think so. We were thinking about one and the first one and the second one, right?
Yeah.
So let's try with the second one.
Okay. Sounds good.
So yeah, so I think we should be fine now. Let's see.
10, I still did not get right. So,
Just 10?
10 I got wrong.
Just that one?
And I don't know why I have 15 wrong, but I had 15 wrong. And 18 I got wrong again.
And
So,
18. So, okay, so let's see. So 10 you got wrong, and then okay, so which one is going to be 14 for sure? Z?
14 is Z, yeah.
Okay, 14 Z. And then, okay, and then was the answer for 16?
16 was from the applet, which I don't know how, because they put the z-score in and you get the same. So would be 0.184.
0.8114. Okay, and you got that one right?
Yeah. What did you get for the z-score then?
For the z-score, I have minus 0.9.
Okay.
But I highlight like left and side, like less and above.
Okay.
So I think you guys highlight just less than, right?
Yeah, just the very left side.
Okay. Okay, so you got 21 of 23?
Yep.
Okay, so means that 10 is not 1 and second, right?
I think so.
And in 18 is not the first one and the second one the same?
Yeah.
Okay, so here is where we play probabilities. So yeah, so what you want to do?
What do you mean?
Like this assignment is going to be due tonight, right? So do you want to wait for her, or what do you want to do?
I'll probably just keep working on it, and then I need to work on biology because that's due tonight as well, and I've got quite a bit to do.
Yeah, because my concern, is like probably she's going to give us the answers like super late, you know. So pretty much that's like the problem for me. And plus nobody wants to answer questions, on emails.
Yeah. I didn't like super late, and so it was already too late for me to respond. So that's why I didn't say anything. But
so, and also, what happened with the other two guys?
I have no idea. I haven't heard from them.
Do you think they failed that the exam and then just drop?
I don't know. I don't think they would have dropped it. Maybe we'll hear from them Monday.
Okay, so yeah, we're fine. Like, if I decide, to just submit my answers, I will just, send you guys an email.
Okay.
But if you guys have answers, like early or something like that, you guys just send an email, so that way we can just compare.
Yeah.
Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you very much. Talk to you Monday, sorry.
Yep, see you Monday.
See ya, bye-bye.
Bye.